Hi! On the Woodpecker today, I'm making 2 steps for a split level. Eddie, one of my viewers, asked if I could shorten his stairs. I said yes, and he brought me the remains of his old stairs. I'm going to reuse them for the shorter version. I also need to use this piece of oak. This is the original side of the stairs. As you can see, Eddie damaged it when he took it apart. But it's not really his fault. This is what happens when we use stuff like that. It's why I redid the side in solid oak. I think this will be much better. But I need to cut the new stairs. I'm keeping those 2 pieces for the steps and cutting a 45-degree corner on the other 2. Before doing anything else, I trace where the new riser will be, glue and screw corner blocks everywhere inside. But screws were not enough. I add a bunch of clamps while the glue dries. Now that the new side is all reinforced, I can take care of the other side. Since this won't be visible, I use what I have on hand, trace its shape, and cut it. And just like the solid oak side, I add corner blocks everywhere. The steps will lie here, just like that. But I need to do the interior structure now. The first riser will go here, but it's not really straight. When it is, I rip the first riser. Yeah, it's a bit too high. I need to fix this. Perfect. The first step will go here. I need to redo everything. It's really starting to take form. But before I can glue this, I need to remove the old varnish. I didn't cut the risers to length. I think this will look great. It's time to glue this now. I spread glue everywhere where the pieces meet on both pieces. Then I put it in place and add clamps. I do this all over again for the other riser. When the clamps are in place, I remove the step and leave this to dry. I need to take care of one of the steps. When this was first glued, unlike me, they were cheap on the glue. So now I have to try to re-glue this the best I can. When Eddie tore his stairs apart, he also managed to damage the posts of the guardrail. I need to fix this. The first one is quite straightforward. I remove the sliver, re-glue it in place, and put 2 clamps. But the other ones are not so easy. I don't have the missing pieces, so I have to make them. I start by sanding the same angle as the missing piece. After breaking a piece, I have to sand this to the exact shape as the missing one. This is not super fast, but in the end, I manage. And it's possible to glue it in place and clamp it. When the glue is dry, I remove the excess with my miniature plane. I also need to remove what's left of the old plugs. And make sure there's no glue left. I still have another post to clean. Then I can sand the posts. But since Eddie drilled all the plugs, he will need new ones. So I'm making a bunch of plugs. I'm pretty sure this is enough. Conical plugs like I made will do a super nice job of plugging the holes. Now Eddie will only have to screw the posts in place and he will be able to use his new stairs. I'm pretty happy with the look of my corner cuts. I usually mess this up, not this time. And since now everything is solid wood, there won't be any stress of cutting through veneers if something needs to be sanded. This was how I modified an existing stairs to be shorter. This was not a big project, but nice to make. And I hope I will see you again for the next episode of The Woodpecker.